I wish to consider one sum, and the sum is from Accounting of Debentures, chapter Accounting for Debentures. Sum is taken from exercise. Observe the sum on the screen. Pre limited issue 50,000, 7.5% debentures of ₹100 each. Pass the necessary journal entries in the books of Pre Limited at the time of issue and redemption of debentures in the following cases. So all these three are options, different instances, and we are required to write the issue entry and redemption entry. Let me take first instance, debentures issued at par, redeemable at par. In all the situations, debentures are redeemable at par. That's an important identity that you have to observe. And the distinction, issued at par, issued at premium, issued at discount. These are the three options given for issue. But the redemption is at par. That is the important point to be noticed. Now debenture, 50,000 debentures of ₹100 each. That works out to be 50 lakhs. Amount received with application. Journal entry issued at par, so we have received 50 lakhs. Bank account debit to 7.5% debentures accounted at 50 lakhs. Now, same 50 lakhs is redeemable. The redemption entry, on the date of redemption entry, debentures account debit to debenture holders account credit, debenture holders account debit to bank account credit. As they are redeemable at par, this is the entry, redeemable at par, redeemable at par, redeemable at par. This is the redemption entry. It is going to be consistent in all the three options. So this is how entries gets recorded for issue and redemption. But let me give an option to the first entry. Bank account debit to debenture application account credit. Debenture application account debit to debentures account credit. Instead of writing one entry, these are the two entries which are suggested by many teachers. Now, let me consider the second option. Debentures are issued at 10% premium, redeemable at par. Now, issued at 10% premium, so we got 10% more at the time of issue of debentures. So, this is the face value received with application, debenture face value received. That is 50 lakhs. 10% premium is received, 5 lakhs. So total amount received is 55 lakhs. Bank account debit 55 lakhs. To 7.5% debentures account credit 50 lakhs. To debenture premium or security premium account credit 5 lakhs. On redemption, redemption is at par. Though we have received 55 lakhs, we are going to redeem only 50 lakhs. So redemption at par means the identical entry. So debentures account debit 50 lakhs to debenture holders account credit. Debenture holders account debit to bank account credit. This is how redemption entry gets recorded. Now I want to give you an option for this issue entry. Bank account debit to debenture application account credit 55 lakhs. Debenture application account debit to debentures account credit to debenture premium account credit 5 lakhs. This is an optional entry. These two entries are in option 2, this first entry. I have given both the style of writing the entry for your better understanding. Next. Debentures are issued at 5% discount, redeemable at par. Now, issued at a discount, so I get 5% less per debenture. So, 50,000 debentures. Debenture is of ₹100 each, so total 50 lakhs. 5% discount, 5 is the discount per debenture. So on 50,000 debenture, 50,000 into 5 to like 50,000 is the debenture discount. Amount received 47,50,000. Now I write the entry for issue of debentures. Bank account debit 47,50,000, debenture discount account debit 2,50,000. To debentures account credit 50 lakhs on redemption. Debentures account debit to debenture holders account. Debenture holders account debit to bank account. The redemption entry is going to be same in all the three options because here redeemable at par, redeemable at par, redeemable at par. The issue entry differs because in the first issue was at par, in the second issued at premium, in third issued at discount. Now I want to give you an optional entry for this first entry. Bank account debit to debenture application account credit, debenture application account debit, debenture discount account debit to 7.5% debentures account credit. This is the optional style of writing the first entry. As I told to you, I have given and demonstrated both the styles of writing the entry for issue for your better understanding. I think you have followed all these things. Thanks to all of you.